packaging industry, specifically labels, has a lot of attributes that we look for in terms of downside protection, very diverse and sticky customer base.
Customers have been with multicolor for 20, 30, 40, 50 years. I mean, everything has a label on it, whether it's a consumer good product, food and beverage, wine and spirits, so you're always going to be selling products.
In addition to that, we had previously acquired WS Packaging. That was our initial foray into the label space. For multicolor, we saw a really unique opportunity to increase our exposure to what is a really good sector. We used our operational expertise to do the largest public-to-private deal that Platinum's done in its history.
Multicolor is one of the examples. We're taking a business and utilizing that to acquire a larger business. It's a little bit the minnow swallowing the whale.
When you think of bolt-ons, supplementing a company that you already have, in this particular case, I mean, it is, 4 times the size.
Given that we had just executed a very quick investment in WS, an existing asset in the label space, we were able to move incredibly fast.
We were very nimble in our, M&A process and in our diligence process, and we were able to move to a transaction very quickly.
We understood the industry, we understood the risks and opportunities.
We know how to work with boards, we know how to work to the constituencies, we understand the dynamics and the crescendo that a public deal requires.
To understand how to navigate an existing asset that's smaller shows Platinum's ability to think outside the box.
The future for multicolor is still bright. We have over $2.2 billion in revenue. We have over 10,000 employees, and we have 86 plants across the world.
Our operations team is fully deployed. We've identified $30 million of synergies more than we originally thought there would be.
We have EBITDA that is approaching $400 million.
It was an ideal opportunity to deploy capital into a sector that we know, create an alpha return from a position of power, from a position of knowledge, from a position where we have increased synergies and increased access to operational improvements.
Multicolor is now the global pure play leader in the label space.